guys, and welcome to a new video of Dreaming in Galaxy! Today is ArtSnacks once again. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna rip open this box. At least attempt to. There we go, guys. Finally opened the box. Woo! Okay. So, what are the fun things we have in here today? Okay. So, first off, when I open this, I see this art spray. I don't exactly know what this is. I guess I'll find out right now. Acrylic spray. Is this like paint spray? I think this is paint spray. Ooh, do I have a spare piece of paper? Yes, I do. Let's try this guy out, guys. Actually, you know what? I'll spray the box. You guys can see that. Look at that. Look at that color. Okay, I'll put it back before it starts dripping all over my table, because I'm pretty sure wood plus like liquid acrylic paint probably doesn't mix. So anyway, yeah, so this stuff is Marabu mixed media art spray. Yeah. Water-based acrylic that'll blend with other colors. Woo. Okay, so it's ideal to use with stencils or as like a primer. So I guess to just put that down first. Next, I have this Snonehenge Aqua Coldpress mini pad. This is a bonus item, so meaning I get my other normal products plus this little guy. So this must be good to like spray that liquid acrylic on and stuff. Ah, it's already starting to dry on the box a little bit. That looks nice. And I'm gonna drip it all over this box. I can tell that one now. I would be the one to do that, guys. Just make a big mess for myself to clean up later. How fun. If you can hear that, it's okay. Just the phone's ringing here, and well, that's not going to be blocked out of the video because I can't do that, sadly. But anyway, we have next up this Plumchester 1.5 fine brush pen. Brush pen. Okay. Ooh, I love stuff like this. Yay! That's always fun. I remember as a kid having like brush pens, like little markers from probably like Crayola or something like that. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Okay, guys. So next up here, I have this Pentel Arts Sign Pen Brush. So here you go. It has, I don't know what language that is. I need to learn my languages better, guys. I'm terrible at this. I'm learning French though. Not that that's really ending well for me. But salut all who, salut to all who understand what I'm saying. Oh, this is fun. I don't know. This kind of looks like a brush tip again. So, yeah. ArtSnacks exclusive. So this is just oh, no. This was the ArtSnacks exclusive, guys. Sorry, I'm terrible today. Yeah, I'll find out. Oh, no. This is also a like brush pen thing. They're all brush pens. Obviously, that's how that works. So that looks awesome. This is like one of these brush pens that has like a whole bunch of liquid in the bottom here and come out the top. Fun, guys. Okay. These products all seem so fun, and I can't wait to start this project with all my little fun goodies here. And let's not forget, I got my little snackety snack in here. Plus, I lost the there's the logo. The logo that I lost for a second. So anyway, let's start this project because I took a long time just opening this box. So I need to start doing something. So let's get to that. My finished little piece, guys, of a ladybug carrying a basket of cherries. I hope y'all just go like this video and subscribe for more ArtSnacks unboxings and other just craft related videos and fun stuff like that. So catch y'all later for the next video. Bye, guys.